Hello. As you can see, this is not the first time this QR has been out. So yeah, awesome. While that loads, I'll quickly get started. So how many of you in this room are founders? Just raise your hand. Awesome. How many of you talked to your customers last week? Okay, more than 5 customers last week who talked to? What did you learn from them?
Onboarding and customer acquisition.
Got it. So this is actually what is the most challenging problem that I faced as a founder myself, is that I was speaking to 10 customers or more per week because YC said so. And the most challenging part was, how do I figure out recurring things that these people are saying? And it just became so hard. And then when my co-founder started interviewing customers, it became even harder. We're talking to a bunch of people, but all of that information is going in a sinkhole. So that is why we built Recontact. Recontact is the second brain for customer data. I think it's presenting from some random screen, so that's why it's not showing up. Yeah, that's my iPad somewhere in some room over there. So yeah, the goal with Recontact is that, okay, I see what's happening. Is the window not presenting or just? Okay, middle. Okay, it was using it as a separate display. So yeah, anyways, with Recontact, the goal is you shouldn't just end a call in a summary or key insights that note takers like Firefly give you. We want to ensure that you can track multiple things across hundreds of calls that you're having. So I'll quickly go give you a demo of what this looks like. Say for example, this is one of the playbooks that I've said. Playbook is nothing but a guide of questions that you're asking to your users. Say for example, lately, no surprise, I've been studying Firefly's users. I've been talking to lawyers and product managers who are getting on calls with multiple users. And now I ask them questions like, okay, what tools do you use for your user research? How do you go from interview to insights? What are your strategies? Blah, 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 blah. So the goal is that now, for each single topic, all of the things that they said on call are being recorded and I can easily analyze. So now I know that what tools are different people using. These are real people, by the way. So yeah, don't some of these interviews are real, so don't just use the data somewhere else. So the goal is that now you should be able to, from a call, just figure out what was the key insight that you wanted to derive. And you can even do pattern analysis. Say for example, I now can tell that 9 out of 10 people are using these tools for collaboration, project management, and less people are using it for other things. So this is the goal of Recontact, is that you should just be able to go and search naturally things like, okay, since it's, okay, I can actually have an audio sync right here. What tool does Vibha use for note taking? I hope it got the spelling right. Okay, I didn't get the spelling right, but this is again like perplexity, that it should be able to pull up all of the responses and it then gives you a response based off of that. So again, 3 things that we specialize in is that 1, when you go into a user interview, you go in with a guide. 2nd, everything that you say as a question and an answer gets tracked as a topic, so you know exactly what your customers are saying for every question. And 3rd is you can just search as naturally as asking your UX interviewer. So that's me. If you find this interesting as a founder, here is my Calendly, which should have shown up, but it isn't showing up. For some reason, I just put it up from Finder. And yeah, you can just come scan me, I'm friendly. So yeah, thanks a ton for your time. Thank you.